I am here! I have come! Merasmus has risen! Cower, fools! Merasmus is here! Run, fools! Run from Merasmus! Merasmus the wizard has come for your souls! Soldier, never anger a magician. Welcome to your doom. Doom! All of you are doomed. Enjoy Halloween, mortals, for it will be your last. Merasmus arrives on a tide of blood. Oh, hello, soldier. Ah! 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 Mortis Atagostaf! Staffus Attacum!
Hey, buddy, I'm gonna give you a bum head. Go run at that wizard. Hey, buddy, I'm gonna give you a bum head. Go run at that wizard. I'm gonna give you a bum head. Go run at that wizard. Oh, boy, let's do this. Hey, go blow up that wizard for me, yeah? We don't got a lot of time. Run at that wizard, okay? Hey, you, take this. Go run at that wizard, okay? Okay. Hey, I'm a bum book. It's pretty good. You and me, buddy. We're gonna blow that wizard out. Hey, it's you. Here, take this. It's good. You're gonna like this bum head. Hey, it's me, the Bomanomicon. Oh, man, this is great. Hey, buddy, no time to explain. Run at that wizard. Pow, zoop, run at that wizard. Hey, it's me, the bum book. Run at that wizard. Yeah, let's do it. Bomanomicon, giving you a bum head. Oh, boy, let's do this. Hey, it's me, the Bomanomicon. It's pretty good. Your head's a bum now. Okay, good luck. Your head's a bum now. Okay, good luck. Your head's a bum now. Oh, it's really good. Okay, good luck. Nice head. Now he's a bum. I'm the greatest. Nice head, buddy. Bum head is good stuff. Hey, you got a head. Great. Now it's a bum head. Hey there. Pow, bum head. Oh, it's really good. Off I go. Pow, bum head. Off I go. Hey, buddy, you look like you could use a bum for a head. Pow, zoop. Off I go. Hey, buddy, you look like you could use a bum for a head. Pow, zoop. Oh, it's really good. Bomanomicon, giving you a bum head is what I do. Bomanomicon, giving you a bum head. Hey, it's pretty nice. Pow, zoop. Bum head for you. Your head, it looks real nice. So long. Pow, zoop. You're gonna like it, this bum head. Pow, zoop. Bum head for you. Pam. Bum head for you. No, he's good. Oh, I hate that wizard. Hey, you should go blow him up. Oh, I hate that wizard. You should go blow him up. The wizard, go blow him up. So long. Hey, guy, what's up? Your head's a bum now. Okay, we're good. Hey, guy, what's up? Your head's a bum now. Okay, we're good. Your head's a bum now. Okay, good stuff, good stuff. Your head's a bum now. This is gonna be the best. Giving you a bum head is what I do. Man, you got a nice head. Now it's a bum head. Pam! Your head, it looks real nice. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, let's do it. Hey, guys. Yeah, sure. Sure, why not? Okay, let's do this. Yes, this is the greatest. Oh, this is gonna be good. Hey, everybody. I'm the Bomanomicon. Oh, boy, let's do this. Oh, boy, let's do this. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be the best. You got it. All right, stand back. Good stuff. Oh yeah, I get to throw some bombs. This is gonna be the best. This is gonna be the best. Hey everybody, have some bombs, guys. Yeah, yeah. Here's a whole bunch of bomb stuff. Hey guys, beat that wizard, huh? Good stuff, buddy. How you like this island? Pretty nice, huh? Waterfront property. Yeah, it's mine. Well, it's a timeshare. It's good for romancing the ladies, though, no? There's this little cookbook I've been seeing, and hey, it's pretty nice. Well, you feel free to poke around, I guess. You know, looks like that's what you were doing anyway, right? You know, feel free to steal everything that isn't nailed down. Hey, I'm a book. What do I need with it? Merasmus' skull hat. That's gonna look real nice on your head. Merasmus' skull hat. Hey, it's pretty nice. Merasmus' skull hat. Good choice, buddy. Very nice choice.
Bomanomicon! Destroy them! By the power of the Bomanomicon! Bomanomicon! Forbidden book! I unchain thee! Cower before the Bomanomicon! Peasbus, Merasmus, Bomanomicon! Bomanomicon! Heed my call! Feel the terror of reading! Feel the terror of books! No! You win! No, wait, it's a tie! I hate you so much, soldier! You haven't heard the last of Merasmus the magician. I die! I die! Bye, soldier. I die! Soldier! You were the worst roommate! I die! I curse this land for 100 years! No! 1,000! 1,000! Oh, I die! No! No! Huzzah! Surprise! Wizard surprise! Magic! Emerges ex mortis! Boo! Boo! Polaris bow! Heads up! Fire in the hole! Grenade! No! 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 Ah! Oh, the irony! Oh, you're still a fool! Ah! Oh, we're two head bombs! Ah! 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 Back! Stay back, you fools! Ah! Magic! Powerless! Against bombs! Ah! I did not think this through. Ah! Well played, fool! Ah! No, don't hit me with it! Ah! No, that really hurt! Ah! Ghost pain! It's worse than regular pain! Abominomicon! Betrayer! Ah! Oh, Judas Book! Ah! Who told you to do that? Ah! Ah! So weak! Fool! Your bombs are only making me weaker! Ah! So weak! Must hide and heal. Must hide and heal. Must hide. Get stronger. Must hide. Must heal. Must hide. Must heal. Merasmus must hide. Merasmus must hide. No strength. Must hide. No. This cannot be the end. Must hide. Fools! I will come back stronger. Fools! Do you not know you deal with the master of hiding? Fools! Feel the terror of my hiding! You cannot kill me, fools, for I am great at hiding! The hiding! It is here! Okay, need to find a hiding spot. Time to play hide and seek. Your doom! Must hide. Get stronger. You have bested my magic. But can you withstand the dark power of hiding? Demo Man, would you have your eye back? Come find me. The longer I hide, the stronger I get. I'm healing. I am healing myself with healing magic. I am healing myself with healing magic and aspirin. The longer I hide, the stronger I get. The fools, they have no idea how strong I'm getting or how loud I'm talking. I'm getting stronger. I'm getting stronger. Oh, life courses back into my ghostly wizard veins. Oh, hiding heals my battered ghost body. It is a Halloween miracle. If you don't find me soon, I'll get so strong I might die of strength. That's a real thing. Fools! A wizard heals himself right under your noses. Find me soon. I'm getting super strong and totally healed. Hiding is the best. Oh, I am healing so much hiding as this pumpkin. Oh no, I gave it away. Or did I? So much mystery. Ah, hiding, healing. I might never come out. I am hiding, but as what? A pumpkin? A brick? Perhaps a harmless oil drum? Or a brick? Come find me, if you dare. I'm hiding, but where? So much mystery. The terrifying, hiding mystery continues. You'll never guess my disguise. It's too cunning. Find me. Nope, getting colder. Find me. No, getting colder. 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 You fools! You will never find me. Fools! You will never find me! I am hidden somewhere in this eldritch realm. But where? Where could I be? Where could the best wizard be hiding? Oh, I'm not there. I'm inside your head! Close? You're getting warmer. You're close. Oh, so close! Or are you? You're close. Oh, you're so close. Where could I be? Where could Merasmus be? Goodbye forever! All right, I'm leaving now. All right, I'm leaving now. Goodbye, everyone. Well, that was fun. Off I go. All right. Goodbye, everyone. Enough! I leave. Aha! Too slow. I leave. Goodbye forever. Goodbye forever. I'll see you at home, soldier. You have amused Merasmus, but now I must attend to other eldritch business. Farewell! I bid you farewell! Farewell! Happy Halloween, everyone! I leave you to your doom! Son of a... Basbus pronto! Banto barsoma! Bapmo bibrondo! Brabus babimbas! Barbo cabalto! Abo alabasbas! Lisbo barabas! Barabab brubas! Binto bartum! Bemelis bronte! Mictor ate! You cannot run! Run, fools! You're all fools! Hell is bominous! Mortis longis tenas! Charate! Burn! Burn, fools! Hellfire! Charate! No magic is beneath Merasmus! Charate! That is what you think it is! Rain of waste! Charate! Merasmus is... sorry about this one. Charate! Merasmus is not proud of this one. Bombs! So many bombs! Magic, everyone! Magic! Big heads! Big head fate! Big head fate! I curse your heads with bigness! You cannot escape the terror of your own giant head! Super big heads! Plague of head beginning! Big heads! The horror! The horror! The bloodening! Bloodletting! Let the blood flow! Blood fate! Plague of blood! It is the crit boosting! Dance, fools! Darkness falls across the land. The dancing hour is close at hand. And though you fight to stay alive, your body starts to spasmus, for no mere mortal can resist the magic of Merasmus! Dance, dance, dance! Plague of dancing! Firestorm! Fire! Fire! Yes! Ah, you're all on fire! Fire! Oh, that's a good one! Burn, fools, burn! Ghosts! Let the haunting begin! Rise! Rise from your graves! Plague of ghosts! Low gravity! Gravity displeases me, so I have removed it! Gravity displeases me, so I have removed it! Most of it! Gravity! I banish thee! Bid farewell to your precious gravity! Everything's coming up Merasmus. Invincible! Invincible! Wait, what? Everybody's invincible. Fools! Hold on. You are gods! Enjoy your false confidence. It will be your doom. You are gods! Aha! And that may seem good, but it will be bad. In the fullness of time. You are gods! I don't know why I put that on the wheel. You are gods! Wait, no. You are gods! I meant to do that. It will go badly for you. You watch. You are gods! Magic! It is not an exact science. Reign of Jarate! Reign of Jarate! I'm sorry about this. Jarate! Jarate! Jarate for everyone! Jarate for everyone! I am so sorry! Super jumping! High jump! Yes! Perfect! Yes! Flee, cowards! Run, cowards, run! That's right. Run, cowards! Run, cowards, run! How will you fight me when you're all so scared? The fear is inside you! Fear me! Poop in your pumpkin pants! Super speed! The wheel spins! The wheel spins! I spin the wheel of fate! The wheel of fate spins! You cannot escape the wheel of fate! Spin, wheel! Spin! Spin the wheel and seal your fate! Yes, spin the wheel, you fools! See what horrors are in store for you! Prepare to feel the wrath of the wheel of fate! Yes, spin the wheel of fate! Your fate is at hand! The wheel of fate is a fickle mistress. The wheel spins! Your fate is at hand. The wheel will be your undoing. Yes, the wheel! Yes! Fate! The wheel! Come on, wheel. Merasmus needs this. The wheel! Come on, wheel. You owe me. The wheel! Come on. Set them all on fire. The wheel! Come on, big head. Come on, big head. Shrunken heads! Tiny heads! Teeny tiny heads, as foretold in prophecy. Feel the tiny eldritch terror of an itty bitty head. Like your tiny heads? Thank magic! Teeny tiny heads! Overcharge! I am Merasmus, and this is Eternoween! Happy Halloween mode! It's Eternoween! The Eternal Halloween! Your calendar's not broken. It's your mind! Halloween mode! It is I, Merasmus. Say, does anyone on this server love Halloween? Halloween mode! It's Eternoween! The Eternal Halloween! As foretold by Discount Costume Warehouse! Oh! Hello, it is I, Merasmus. Happy Halloween, everybody! Forever! Welcome to TGI Halloween, where it's always Halloween. I'm Merasmus, your server. We have a couple of lovely specials tonight. One of them is your own death! The other is loaded Tuscan flatbread. It is I, Merasmus. Welcome to Halloween mode! I am Merasmus, and this is Eternoween! The Eternal Halloween! It's Eternoween! The Eternal Halloween! Your calendar has gone insane! Halloween mode! It's the devil's business! It's Halloween! Forever!